I told my wife she was drawing her eyebrows too high. She looks surprised. You're welcome. What are you doing? What? So we're going back out here. We just got one 5-gallon bucket filled up. We already have another one at the house. We got 10. And now we're going to fill up these other couple ones. Should be no problem. It's starting to flow pretty good now. But it's raining a lot, so probably won't get the boiler going for another day or two. And we'll have lots of sap to go, so that's good.
Oh my god, it's on me.
Oh. Oh yeah. At least they're half full. Going pretty good.
Look at the mess of the driveway. We're gonna have to get this all rocked. Just like the driveway's rocked, all of this is gonna have to be done. We can't do it right now. So we bought some plywood and we have a couple of pallets and we're just gonna have to make steps to get to and from the vehicle, because if not, we're a disgusting mess. You girls gonna help us?
Get us out of the mud.
So we're building our new deck.
Today's supposed to be a really nice day, so I'm going to attempt to get a fire going in here early. I'm going to attempt the fire and get this stuff boiling so that it's done before dark, because we've got a lot of sap. We got 5 gallons right now, 20 gallons right now, and I need to go collect again. So once I get all the buckets emptied into here, I can go collect more. Got the girls out here with me. Hi. Hi, babies. Coming over to see what I'm doing. What are you doing? What's her doing? going. So I've boiled down 20 gallons. This is all that's left in there now of the 20 gallons. And I've gone out and collected about 13 more gallons today. And I'm going to do another run tonight. And then I'll boil again tomorrow. As soon as Jeremy gets back, he had to run to town. I'm just going to empty these 2 buckets into the middle one and keep boiling it down. I just can't do it without him because I have to lift this middle bucket to get the other ones out from under it. $2.11. It only goes to $2.19 and it's done. That middle one's almost ready. $2.10. $2.04. That further one's not getting as much heat. Awesome. So this is all of it. We're just boiling it down to the last little bit on here. And it wouldn't fit in my pots. I need a bigger pot, I guess. So it's in this bucket and I'm just spooning it in very gently. It's gonna make a lot. Last time we boiled down 20 gallons, it made a liter, I think? 2 liters? 1 liter?
2 liters.
Made 2 liters, so I expect to get 2 liters again today. It's pretty good. I've been out here since 12 o'clock and it's now 7 o'clock, so I'm getting a little cold and I think my face is a little bit sunburnt. But it was nice to actually get a little bit of sun today. It was such a beautiful day and I'm sure loving how the sun's setting a lot later now. I think it's going to be, I don't think it's setting until 8 o'clock. Oh, steam in my eyes. Can't see. So we'll be out here a little bit longer, finishing it up. Now that we're done boiling on here, we're enjoying the fire while we finish the boiling process over on the propane cooktop.
It is a muddy mess.
Yep, it's brutal.
You know, we really should have had the rock come right up where all the mud ruts are. Instead of just stopping there.
It's a mess.
Although it probably would have been obviously more money because that's a good little chunk. Because right there where the rocks are, it's all good.
I know.
It's just this here part.
I know. I don't think we'd even get the car out. Might not.
It's close to the rocks at least there.
Yeah. Hopefully this year we can get that done.
Yeah.